Concept 13 is using properties of logs to simplify expressions. So on number 27, we have a multiple choice question, and we have to condense this expression. So we have 5 log x, and we're subtracting the quantity 2 log y plus log z. So we need to subtract or distribute the -1 to the 2 log y and to the log z. So we can see that using the power property, we can bring the 5 into the exponent spot, and the 2 we can also bring to the exponent spot. Because this entire expression is being subtracted, we need to consider both of these terms for the quotient property, which allows us to divide x to the 5th by not only y squared, but also by z. So the equivalent expression here would be b log x to the 5th over y squared z. On 28, we have a multiple choice question asking which of these is equivalent to log 18. So a really common mistake here is for students to choose either A or B. Log 9 times log 2 is not the same as log 9 times 2. If this was the option, then yes, it would be equal, but this is not equivalent to log 18, so I'm going to cross that out. Similarly, log 36 over log 2, that is not equal to log 36 divided by 2. So this one also, we can't say that it's equivalent to log 18. So now let's check the other option. So log 2 can be moved to the exponent because of the power property. And the product property allows us to condense this 9 times 2, which is equal to log 18. So C is the correct match. In number 29, we're given log base 5(3) and we're given log base 5(2), but we're asked to simplify these 3 expressions. So log base 527, we don't know what that's equal to, but we can figure out what it's equal to approximately by rewriting 27 in terms of 3's and 2's. So I know 27 can be rewritten as 3 cubed or 3 times 3 times 3. By using the product property, we know that this is equivalent to log 3 plus log 3 plus log 3. So all that I have to do now to figure out the decimal equivalent is to substitute log base 5(3) equals 0.68. And I'm adding it 3 times, so 3 times 0.68. So if we multiply 0.68 times 3, we get 2.04. Looking at the second one, so log base 5 of 36. So let's see if we can create 36 using a combination of 3's and 2's. So we know 36 is equal to 9 times 4, or breaking it down further, 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. Product property again, we can add log 3 plus log 3 plus log 2 plus log 2. So substituting the values for log 3 and log 2, that gives us 0.68 twice, so times 2, plus 0.43 times 2. So let's go ahead and work that out and figure out the decimal value when those are added together. So 0.68 times 2 is 1.36, and the second term, 2 times 0.43 is 0.86. Okay, so adding those two together, 1.36 plus 0.86 we get 2.22. All right, lastly, we have log of 27 over 2. So log 27 can be rewritten as 3 times 3 times 3, just like we did on part A. And the 2 is in the denominator. So this is equivalent to log base 5, 3 plus log base 5, 3 plus log base 5, 3. And the quotient property says that if we're dividing here, we can subtract log base 5, 2. Now let's look back rather than recalculating this. We already calculated that on part A. So 3 times log of 3 was 2.04. So we have 2.04 for these 3 terms. Minus log base 5 of 2 is equal to 0.43. So subtracting those two, we get 2.04 minus 0.43. Which gives us 1.51.